Meaning of disinvestment.
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 Disinvestment. Disinvestment refers to the act of selling or liquidating an asset, business, or investment by a company or government entity. The result of disinvestment can vary depending on the context in which it is used. In some cases, it may be done to raise cash or reduce debt, while in other cases, it may be done to divest from a particular industry or sector. Overall, the result of disinvestment is a reduction in the possession or control of assets, which can have various financial and strategic implications for the entity involved.